So question 2. A ball is fired upwards from the top of a building, okay, and the height is given by this function. So there's our function, okay. We want to graph the function between 0 and 7, okay. So we're going to ignore the questions for a minute. So our function is h equals 7 plus 6t minus t squared between 0 and 7. So t is 0 down to 7. So let's work out our function first. So h is equal to 7 plus 6 times 0 minus 0 squared, which is 7. When t is 1, h is 7 plus 6 times 1 minus in brackets 1 squared, which is equal to 12. When t is 2, h is 7 plus 6 times 2 minus 1 squared, which is equal to 18. When t is 3, h is equal to 7 plus 6 times 3 minus 3 squared, which is equal to 25, take 9. 6 3s are 18. 25, take away 9 is equal to 16. When t is 4, h is equal to 7 plus 6 times 4 minus 4 squared, which is equal to 7 plus 24 is 31. Take away 16 is 15. When t is 5, 7 plus 6 times 5 minus 5 squared is equal to 12. When t is 6, h is 7 plus 6 times 6 minus 6 squared, which is equal to 7. And finally, when t is 7, h is 7 plus 6 times 7 minus 7 squared, which is equal to 0. So there's your function. So your set of points will be 0, 7, 1, 12, 2, 18, 3, 16, 4, 15, 5, 12, 6, 7, and 7, 0. And now you want to draw that graph, okay? So you're going to draw this graph somewhere down below, okay? So I'm going to draw out this graph using those points down here. So again, we're going to go between 0 and 7. There's our x-axis, my y-axis. 0 on the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we need to get up as far as 18. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so we're going to plot these points. 0 up to 7, somewhere here. 1 up to 12. 2 up to 18. 3 up to 16. 4 up to 15. 5 up to 12. 6 up to 7. And 7, 0. So your function will look something like up and around and down. Okay? And that's your graph of h equal to 7 plus 6t minus t squared. It tells us in the question that t is the time in seconds, and the h height in meters on the y-axis. So what's the height of the building? So the initial height at the building, well, the ball is thrown from here, so the initial height is equal to 7 meters. What's the maximum height reached by the ball? So the maximum height reached by the ball, that's the maximum, is equal to 18 meters. Okay. The number of seconds the ball to reach 15 meters above the base of the building. So the base of the building, 10, 12, 14, 15 is here. How many seconds does it take to reach above that? 1.5 seconds for 15 meters. So 1.5 seconds. The number of seconds the ball is 12 meters or higher. So 12 meters is here. So the number of seconds it's above up here. Well, here is below. So it's going to be 5 seconds. Take away 1 second is equal to 4 seconds. The next question, how high was the ball after 4.5 seconds? So 4.5 seconds. The height of the ball is 14 meters. Okay. And finally, after how many seconds will the ball again reach the height from which it was thrown? So this time it was thrown from here. So after how many seconds will it reach that again? It will be, graph continues, after how many seconds? It will take 6 seconds to reach 7 meters again. Okay, and that's the answer on the question based on the graph.